Habibi, come to Dubai. Dubai, y'all got it with the heat. Yes, Habibi.
I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you get to know the part. I'm talking about
Money, we getting that rap money. Holla, she get holla in the bala. Billy holla, she in the bala. We getting that rap money. We getting that rap money. La la la, holla in the holla. In the bala, in the holla. We getting that rap money. We getting that rap money. Holla, she get holla in the bala. Billy holla, she in the bala. We getting that rap money.
I just got to Dubai. Not just. I got here at 5 in the morning, and I just got my room right now, and it is 10:23. So they did let me check in earlier, but I was just waiting downstairs for like 3-4 hours, and they let a couple go before me, knowing they seen me first. Yeah. Anyways, I'm on the 13th floor, and it's too hot for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Even though I was just on the 23rd floor in Bangkok, this one seems so much higher. I don't know why. When I was going up, y'all, the elevator, wait till I show y'all, it's clear, so you literally see yourself just rising, and I'm like, oh my God. I had to turn around because I cannot, and then I have to go back downstairs on those clear elevators. My heart. But I'm gonna take a nap because I'm super tired. Like, this is my last country, the UAE, and I'm in Dubai, the city of Dubai, because Dubai is not a country, okay? But I'm in Dubai, and I have the desert safari tour. They're coming to get me at 3, so I want to take a nap. Like, even though I slept on that plane for like 5 hours, actually 6, that plane ride was like 6 hours and 50 minutes, but I slept the whole time. I was super tired, and I've been using, where are they? They're somewhere in my bag, but the sleep gummies, I'm gonna put it in the screen somewhere. They worked. You hear me? They worked. I took 2 of them right before the plane, once they started boarding us, and I was zone C, so as soon as they said they're gonna start boarding, I took 2, and by the time I got on that plane, I was like dozing off, y'all. But I'm definitely gonna take a nap. I'm jet lagged. Like, I miss my baby. I miss my baby. I can't wait to hug my dog, y'all. I'm tired. It's my last 48 hours traveling until next time, and I can't wait to tell you guys where I'm going next time. But I'm gonna see y'all in a few when I start getting ready for the desert safari tour. See ya. Okay, y'all, I'm ready. This is how I'm going to sandal the safari tour. Am I saying it right? The desert safari tour. I don't know if I should have my belly button now, but it's too fucking hot in Dubai. Like, oh my God. Shit, I just fell asleep for mad long. It's too hot. But I'm gonna go downstairs so I can wait for my driver. I look cute though. I got my slides on. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got my sneakers in my bag because they said it was too hot to do that, to just have slippers on. So let's go. My eyes just look alright right now. Like, they done. Like, they really just need a whole full-on wash. Like, my hair need to come out. But watch, by the time I get to this freaking desert, I shit gonna be like, Lordy. Yeah, I'm about to take this scary elevator. I'm on the 13th floor. I really, really do not like the elevator because, look, it's so pretty, but oh yeah, this is the scary part. Oh my God, hold on. The view is so pretty, but going down, ooh. Sorry? Journey. It is so hot though, like terribly too hot. This is ghetto. I don't know where I have to put my water. It's so hot, like so hot. I like those. I'm so hot. Not even like.
طويل وتبقى شبيه
Acá estamos, que jobro no go.
single coffee. Single coffee. Okay, bike is automatic, do not touch the gear, do not change it. You want to change, the guide will come, he will help you, okay? Both the brake together, you want to stop, you press both the brake together. This is the gas accelerator to go front. Do not touch that one, keep your leg away from it, okay?
Don't touch.
Okay?
Okay.
Did somebody explain you the bike?
Camera ride. Oh, why don't ever do this? So now it's time for balloon bash at the sand.
Agora coloca, te perguntou, Sorin. Hello. Tá.
I can't argue better.
In my lifetime, but see, it's not a lot of women that got the right mind. I done had pretty chicks with all the right features and hood rat chicks that only rock sneakers, cell phones and beepers, and know how to treat you. You break a heart, shit, walk out and leave it. I find a girl, I'ma keep her, cause now I'm getting money in the game.
Habibi. Awesome. Going down is mad fun and it's smooth, but coming up, you see what this shit doing to my feet right now. Habibi, come to Dubai. All right, y'all.
Vlogging.
Huh?
Vlogging.
Yeah.
Is that the OG? What's that thing?
Yeah, the Osmo, the DJI Osmo.
Yeah.
Small, convenient, but great camera.
Yeah.
What's up? Shut up. Here we go again. Now you're telling me that she is just a friend. And when she calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning.
We're about to go to the jet car and
Here we go again. Now you're telling me.
Let's go downstairs, go call for a cab, and let's go. Crazy, I have my headband on still, but
There's no need
like
to
20 minutes
tell.
before time.
As far as I can clearly recall, my
I'm super hot. Dubai, y'all got it with the heat. It's so beautiful, but so hot.
Let me, I will give you that jacket.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll give you briefing. Just pull up the briefing.
gimbal. Huh? You don't have your phone? The phone is with you. The gimbal phone is with
That was cool. Come back.
oh, come on.
Oh my god.
Where is it?
Right here.
This one is not like it's not.